If you're getting a payment error 400 on itch.io, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to checkout as quickly as possible. This error is usually caused by browser issues, corrupted cookies, or a problem with the payment method you're trying to use. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing to contact support. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when more helpful videos are uploaded. Now, let's jump right in. First, we're going to start with the simplest and most effective fix, which is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old data from websites, and sometimes that saved data gets corrupted or outdated. When that happens, itch.io may have trouble validating your cart or confirming your payment session, which can trigger the error 400 message. To do this, open your browser settings and look for the privacy or history section. Then find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cached images and files as well as cookies and site data. If you want to be extra careful, you can clear data only for itch.io and any connected payment sites. But if you're not sure, clearing the relevant browsing data for a recent time range can also help. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying itch.io again. Go back to the site, sign in if needed, and try adding your item to the cart or completing checkout one more time. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to try is using an Incognito Window or private browsing mode. This is a great test because Incognito mode starts with a clean session, meaning it doesn't use the same cookies, extensions, or stored site data that your regular browser window does. To try this, open a private tab in your browser. Go to itch.io, log in again, and repeat the checkout process. If the payment goes through in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is related to something saved in your normal browser session, such as cookies, cache, or even a browser extension interfering with the payment page. If that happens, you can go back and clear your cookies more thoroughly, or temporarily disable extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools that may be affecting the checkout flow. Now, if the browser side looks fine and you're still blocked, the third fix is to switch payment methods. Sometimes the payment processor connected to itch.io may have a localized issue with one method but not another. For example, if you were trying to use direct PayPal, try choosing a standard credit card option instead. On the other hand, if the credit card route is giving you trouble, try PayPal if it's available. The goal here is to bypass a processor-specific problem and see whether a different checkout route works better. Also, make sure your billing details match your payment method exactly, because even small mismatches in name, postal code, or address can sometimes contribute to checkout errors. If you're on mobile, it can also help to switch to a desktop browser, since some checkout flows behave more reliably there. After trying each fix, reload the page and test the checkout again, rather than stacking multiple changes all at once, because that makes it easier to identify what actually solved the issue. To recap, the main fixes for itch.io payment error 400 are clearing your browser cache and cookies, trying an incognito window, and switching payment methods if necessary. In most situations, one of these steps will get the checkout working again. If you're still stuck after that, the issue may be temporary on the payment provider's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. If this video helped you fix the problem, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with the step that worked for you. That helps other viewers facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.